those of you that are here for the first time, this channel is for pole dancing with no dance background. Feel free to follow and subscribe for tutorials, free live classes, online courses, special giveaways, and much more. So these are the lovely Infinity 1020 in the faux suede closed toe booties. This color is phenomenal. Look at this nice little close-up. I love the metallic look of the buttons and the hooks. This color is gorgeous. These are 9-inch babies. I tend to favor the open-toed boots more because I like how I'm able to point my toes better, and also my toes don't jam at the front of the shoe when I'm dancing. But when I saw these, I really couldn't resist. I really loved the color and the finish. I just had to have a pair.
Ooh, I like that sound. Yes.
Just enjoying some of the amazing sound coming from the boots. Just gorgeous, really. I can't wait to start dancing in these. So happy with my purchase. Whee! Treat yourselves, everyone. Treat yourselves. You work very hard.